what I want to say to my kids, if they watch this video 10 years from now, it's when the water gets inside the ship. That's when it gets dangerous. Fantastic day, as usually. Fantastic day. I want to talk about. I'm going to get a bit more. Well, speak my mind in this video, and maybe get a bit personal, because I think we should be better at speaking our minds. Speak our mind. And I want to ask you a question, and that is, and I want you to be honest with yourself. The question is, are you tired? Are you tired of being profitable? Are you tired of being profitable? I think many people are tired of being profitable. Depends, of course, what kind of industry or what kind of occupation you have, but I think we are all tired of, in a way, having to be profitable. Because we don't talk so much about it. I have never heard at my work that I'm so tired of being profitable. Why I'm not viewed as a human being. So that's why I'm pretty fed up with that thinking, the profitability thinking in our culture. Okay, so profitability is not what we are going to talk about only here today, but it's linked to something, and it's linked to something that we all do way too much, and that is living up to people's expectations. Living up to people's expectations. That's what we are doing. We are fulfilling other people's expectations. I have a little bird here. Hanging around. But we are kind of fulfilling other people's expectations. And what I want to say to my kids, if they watch this video 10 years from now, that is one thing I would say. You don't need to fulfill other people's expectations all the time, because that's to a large extent that's what we are doing. We are fulfilling other people's expectations. So we must be better at saying no. Think about your well-being. Think about how you feel about something, and say no. Say no. And that's also at work. Say no. I see many people, many young employees, often overwhelmed with too much work. And my what I want to say to them is, you don't have to say yes to everything. You have to think about, how do you feel about this? Do I have the time for this? Do I feel comfortable with this? And if you don't, say no. Say no. And I'm trying to do that myself. Not all the time, of course, but more often than saying yes, actually. And what saying no, what it does is most of the time it will, you know, you will be viewed as having integrity, higher integrity by saying what you think and standing your ground. And I'm not saying I'm good at this, but I think that is something I'm working on. Thinking about what I need and feel, and being better at saying no to all the demands. And the other point is that we are very affected by our external environment. The external environment is affecting us. There's a saying that goes, it's not the water around the ship that is dangerous. It's when the water gets inside the ship. That's when it gets dangerous. That's very true. That's very true. Things might happen at work. And when a bad thing happens, we must try to not let this external things happening affecting our inside. And it is hard. It is very hard. Oh, I have to show you something here. Can you see the this is fat wood. It is, you see, it's burning. The oil is burning. Don't let them decide what's best for you. Go your own way. Do what's best for you. Because otherwise it's kind of a trap. If you're conforming to all the norms and all the expectations around you all the time, at home, at work, in your daily lives, you will be in a trap. You will be trapped. Look inside what you truly feel. And don't let the water around you get inside. So that's what I would say. Well, that's what I'm saying, basically. It's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. We've had a couple of days now with rain, thaw. We had some snow, and then it was warm now a few days. Now it's a bit colder, it's below freezing, and we have had a lot of wind, crazy lot of wind, but now it's completely still. It's completely still and blue sky. If you disconnect from the things you're doing in your daily life, and you get out like this, you can in a way get inside. You can think more clearly, and you can see that things that are affecting you are not that important. So I guess that's the topic of this video. Go outside to get inside. Try to think about what truly matters. What truly matters. Yes, it was a nice little trip today, and thank you very much for joining me, and thank you for being able to sit here and speak to you. And my fire is slowly fading, and the sun is slowly fading away. But it's been a fantastic day, and again, we're glad you joined me. If you would like, if you're new here, so please subscribe, and I see you next time. So take care. Okay, bye.